Prime Minister and Minister for Infrastructure Honorable Dickon Mitchell, while addressing deplorable road conditions throughout the country, blamed the inadequate supply of asphalt and unavailability of appropriate and necessary tools as hindrances to conduct extensive repairs and proper road maintenance. The Prime Minister, in his presentation during Parliament on Tuesday, said they have now made different arrangements.
We are in the process of devising a system that will allow us, first of all, to increase our capacity to obtain asphalt so that the crews that maintain our road, in fact, have the materials they need to deploy to engage in more extensive repairs and maintenance of our roads. We have procured bitumen from Trinidad and Tobago in partnership with the Chinese who are at the airport currently, Mr. Speaker, who have a large asphalt plant. We've supplied the bitumen. We have procured many of the aggregates. We have procured the warmer. We are going through the testing phase. And so we expect once the appropriate tests are conducted in terms of the asphalt mix and quality, that our crews will therefore have access to a lot more asphalt in more predictable quantities, so that we can engage in more extensive road repair throughout the trial and state of Peach Martin Carriacou.
The Prime Minister, while highlighting steps taken by the Ministry of Infrastructure to enhance the road maintenance, also disclosed that the Molinere Road project should be completed by the last quarter of this year. Throughout the construction phase, the project suffered many setbacks as the land stabilization became a challenge, which forced a review of the initial design as it did not take into consideration the slippage from the hilltop.
Work on the Molinere Road is continuing. We expect the work to complete by the last quarter of 2024. However, all things being equal, the contractor has given a commitment that they will certainly seek to try and accelerate as much as they can the work to see whether or not it is possible to have the road available and open in August or September of this year. But contractually, the obligation is for December.
The Infrastructure Minister explained that restoration work, which was set to begin on the Woburn to Woodlands main road yesterday, has been pushed back to next week.
Major artery that work will commence on shortly, Mr. Speaker, is the Cliff to Woburn Road. In fact, the original intent was to stop vehicular access to that area starting this Monday. But in light of the long Easter weekend that is upon us, Mr. Speaker, as well as the Curfew Games, we've taken the decision to allow access to the road to remain until after the Easter weekend. And we expect that preliminary works for the commencement of major renovation of that piece of road to therefore commence in earnest immediately after the end of the Easter period.
Christina John, GBN News.